Welcome back to Mudra classes. Today I am going to explain question number 7 from admission of a partner. Okay, so this is the question. Let's see what is given in the question number 7. So Ganesh and Shankar are the partners. So who are partners but in this question? Ganesh and Shankar are the partners. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. What is the meaning of 3 is to 2? If the business got 5 lakhs profit, 3 lakhs is taken by Ganesh and 2 lakhs is taken by Shankar. So first number is belongings to first name, second number is belongings to second name. So first ratio is belongings to Ganesh, second ratio is belongings to second name, that is Shankar. Okay, right. Their balance sheet given. Below that balance sheet, what is given? Let's see. On 1st April 2020, they decided to admit Mr. Balu as a new partner. So who are the new partner beta? Balu. So first of all, who are the partners? Ganesh, Shankar and Balu. Okay. So I will write in partners capital account first of all their names. So Ganesh, Shankar and third one Balu. Okay. Three names we have to write. Otherwise simple we can write like this GSB. So G for Ganesh, S for Shankar, B for Balu. Okay. Now let's see the question. Balu should bring 75,000 as capital and 40,000 as a goodwill. So new partner Balu is bringing 75,000 as a capital and 40,000 as a goodwill. So for this is also case 2. Goodwill case 2 beta. 2 journal entries will come already in the first video. I explained clearly. Okay. Treatment of goodwill clearly I explained. What are the 5 cases for goodwill I clearly explained. Okay. Next, the amount of goodwill is withdrawn from the business by old partners. So water, sorry. So here this is not case 2 beta, this is case 3. This is case 3 because by case 3, see the amount of goodwill is withdrawn from the business by old partner said. So whatever goodwill brought by new partner, that is withdrawn by old partners immediately. So it is a case 3. Buildings be appreciated by 20% said. So take the buildings. Furniture and stock to be depreciated by 5% said. So take the furniture and stock. And there is an unrecorded liability in respect of workman compensation said. So directly we will do that adjustment. Okay. Now already in previous sessions I told you in previous classes 20 marks problem from where to start, balance sheet asset side onwards. Balance sheet asset side, what is the first item? Cash. So we have to open cash account. In cash account we have to write 40,000 as a opening balance. So in cash account we have to write 40,000 as a opening balance. So this is the cash account. In cash account I will write that 40,000 opening balance. Okay. Here in particulars column what we'll write? To balance brought down. Okay. This is also called opening balance to balance brought down. We'll write. What is the next item in the question? Balance sheet asset side. What is the next item? Bills receivable. So as it is balance sheet asset side, we have to write 45,000 rupees balance sheet asset side in the answer. In the answer balance sheet asset side we have to write bills receivable 45,000 rupees. Whatever given in the question asset side as it is we will write in the balance sheet asset side in the answer. Question lo asset side ఏమేమి ఇచ్చాడో ఆన్సర్ లో కూడా asset side as it is రాసుకుంటాం. But the difference is whatever given in adjustment we will write in inner column, whatever not given in adjustment we will write in the outer column. Adjustment లో ఇచ్చిన inner column లో రాసుకుంటాం నాన్న, adjustment లో ఇవన్నీ outer column లో రాసుకుంటాం. Let's see the next item. Bills cash completed, we return opening balance. Bills receivable completed. What is the next item? Sundry debtors. For debtors we not have any adjustment beta. Sundry debtors 90,000 also will write balance sheet asset side. So sundry debtors 90,000 no adjustment, directly we will write outer column. So sundry debtors 90,000 no adjustment, directly outer column. Okay, let's see the next one. Next, standard debtors completed beta. What is next one given? We got stock. What is the next item we got here? Stock. Stock is 80,000 given. Stock 80,000 given nana. So we have adjustment. So balance sheet asset side inner column you write. stock 80,000, stock, we have adjustment, so balance sheet, asset side, write in inner column 80,000. Okay, see the next question. Furniture also we have adjustment, so balance sheet, asset side, write in inner column. So balance sheet, asset side, furniture 50,000. Leave some place for stock nana here because we have adjustment. So furniture 50,000. నాన్న ఇక్కడ నేను ప్లేస్ వదిలాను స్టాక్ తర్వాత ఎందుకు అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి యాడ్ అయినా మైనస్ అయినా చేసేది ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ప్లేస్ వదిలాను. సో ఫర్నిచర్ ఆల్సో గివెన్ ఇన్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ ద ఇన్నర్ కాలమ్. సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, furniture completed. What is the next item? Buildings. What is the cost of buildings? Buildings cost is 1 lakh. Okay, so next item is buildings. Buildings also we have adjustment, so write in inner column 1 lakh rupees. Okay, next asset side, all items completed nana. Let's see the liability side. Liability side, what are the items given here? Capitals of Ganesh and Shankar given, so directly we will go to the partners capital account. There we will write Ganesh and Shankar amount. In Ganesh account and Shankar account we will write amount beta 1,50,000 and 75,000. So partners capital account we have to open. So this is the partners capital account. In partners capital account, credit side we have to write opening balance by balance brought on. Ganesh opening balance is 1,50,000 and Shankar opening balance is 75,000. Okay, next come to the question. What is the next item? General reserve, already we discussed. What is the meaning of general reserve? General reserve means undistributed profit. General reserve means what beta? Undistributed profits. Previous లో ప్రతి సంవత్సరం వాళ్ళకు వచ్చిన ప్రాఫిట్ని మొత్తం ప్రాఫిట్ని వాళ్ళు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసుకున్న ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్ అందులో కొంత ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది దాచుకుంటారు. ఓకేనా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 100 రూపీస్ ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చినాక టోటల్ 100 రూపీస్ షేర్ చేసుకోరు పార్ట్నర్స్, కేవలం 80 రూపీసే షేర్ చేసుకుంటారు, మిగతా 20 రూపీస్ పక్కన పెడతారు. అట్లా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ అలాగనే చేస్తుంటారు అనమాట. ఎందుకు? ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే దాన్ని ఆ పైసలతోని ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకునేకే. సో దాన్నే జనరల్ రిజర్వ్ అంటారు. ఈరోజు కొత్తగా న్యూ పార్ట్నర్ వస్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి న్యూ పార్ట్నర్ రాకముందే ఆ ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్ గణేష్ అండ్ శంకర్ ఆ జనరల్ రిజర్వ్ని పంచుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో లేకుంటే న్యూ పార్ట్నర్ బాలు కూడా నాకు కూడా పంచండి అని అడుగుతాడు ఆయన వచ్చిన తర్వాత. యాక్చువల్గా బాలుకు సంబంధం లేదు, అది వాళ్ళు ఇంతకుముందు దాచుకున్న డబ్బులు అవి. కాబట్టి న్యూ పార్ట్నర్ రాకముందే జనరల్ రిజర్వ్ మనం ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్కి పంచాలి. ఓకే, general reserve means what beta? Every year it is called undistributed profit. Every year whenever they got profit in the business, entire profit is not shared by the old partners beta. Only 70% or 80% of the profit only they are sharing. Remaining 20% they are keeping aside, because in future if we face any problem we will utilize that money for that purpose. They will keep aside. Now today in the business Balu is admitting joining into the new business. So before coming Balu into the business, this general reserve is an undistributed profit. We have to distribute to Ganesh and Shankar in their old profit sharing ratio, because these general reserve is belonging to only Ganesh and Shankar. Okay, now these general rupees we have to distribute to old partners nana in partners capital account. In partners capital account, credit side we have to write by general reserve 30,000 rupees we have to distribute in the ratio of 3:2. 30,000 rupees we have to distribute in the ratio of 3:2. How to do beta? See here, I will explain. First I will distribute to general reserve. Okay, first I will distribute to Ganesh nana. See, Ganesh, what is the Ganesh share beta? Ganesh share is 20,000. No, sorry, this general reserve amount given in the question 30,000. Okay, and what is the Ganesh share? 3 divided by 5. How we got this one? Let's see here. 3:2. What is the profit and loss sharing ratio? 3:2. So 3 is Ganesh share, so I written 3. 3 plus 2 5. So in denominator 5 I written. Okay, I hope you understand. Now do cancellation. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 6 are 6 3s are 18. 3 zeros left, so 3 zeros Ganesh amount is 18,000. Similarly, Shankar, okay, 30,000 into Shankar ratio is 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 6 twos are 12. So 3 zeros. So general reserve, if you distribute, we will get 18,000 and 12,000. This one we have to write in partners capital account credit side. Partners capital account credit side we have to write. So in partners capital account credit side we have to write 18,000 rupees got by Ganesh and 12,000 rupees got by Shankar. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, now what is the next question in the question? What is the next item given in the question? Bank loan given, bills payable given, salary creditors given. As it is, we will write in the balance sheet, liability side in the answer. క్వశ్చన్లో లైబిలిటీ సైడ్ ఈ మూడు ఐటమ్స్ ఇచ్చానన్నా మనం ఆన్సర్లో లైబిలిటీ సైడ్ ఈ మూడు ఐటమ్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాసుకోవాలి, ఏం చేంజెస్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బెటర్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ లైబిలిటీ సైడ్ త్రీ ఐటమ్స్ గివెన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విల్ రైట్ ఇన్ ద బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్, liability side in the answer, no need to change anything. So first of all, salary creditors 50,000 given, salary creditors outer column directly 50,000. Next item given bills payable 50,000. Next bank loan given, bank loan how much amount given, bank loan let's see one time. Bank loan how much given, bank loan given 40,000, so we will write here 40,000. With this what happened Anna, with this all items balance sheet items are completed. With this all balance sheet items are completed. Now we have to see the adjustments one by one. We have to see the adjustment. See the first adjustment Anna. What is the first adjustment given in the question here? First adjustment given in this question, Balu should bring 75,000 as a capital. For this purpose, one journal entry will come. I will write here. So new partner bringing capital into business. Okay, how much capital he brought? 75,000. Yes. So for that purpose, how to write journal entry? See, I will write on the board. Cash account debit. So new partner bringing 75,000 cash. For what purpose? For capital purpose. Who is new partner? Balu. So we have to write like this: Balu capital account. This is the first journal entry. This is the first journal entry. The first journal entry. Okay. Now see the next one. So here, first of all, we will post this journal entry Nana. So how it will come? Write in cash account debit side 75,000. Which cash account debit side 75,000. This is the cash account. This is the debit side. So I written here 75,000 rupees. Okay. Close this cash beta. What is opposite? Balu capital. Again is this amount. To write down here to Balu capital account. Okay. This is adjustment number A. Now cash is on debit side, that means Balu capital is on which side? Credit side. So write in Balu capital credit side 75,000. So Balu capital, this is the Balu capital. See, this is the Balu capital credit side. We have to write 75,000. Okay. Now close this Balu capital beta. What is opposite? Cash. So write down here cash. So again as this 75,000, write down here by cash account. This is adjustment number A. This is adjustment number A. Okay. Now go to the question. So the what happened here? 40,000. See, Balu should bring 75,000 as capital and 40,000 as a goodwill in cash, and the entire goodwill is withdrawn from the business by old partner. So for this purpose, three journal entries will come Nana, because this is case 3, this is case 3, so three journal entries will come. So one by one, let's see what are the journal entries. So 3 journal entries will come for this. First one, cash account debit 30 or 40 he brought. One time goodwill, how much he brought? 40,000. Cash account debit 40,000 rupees to goodwill account 40,000 rupees. GW means goodwill account beta. GW means nothing but goodwill account. Okay, this is the first journal entry. And second journal entry, whatever goodwill brought by new partner, that is shared by the old partners, Nana. So goodwill account debit 40,000 to old partners. Who are old partners? Ganesh capital account, and who is another partner? Shankar. Okay, Shankar capital account. Okay, these 40,000 we have to distribute in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, so how it will come, Nana? Let's see. First I will distribute to Ganesh. 40,000 we have to distribute to Ganesh, divided by 3:2 means 3 by 5. Okay, 3 plus 2 5. Ganesh ratio 3. Now do cancellation. 5 ones are 5, 8s are 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24. 3 zeros there, 3 zeros. So Ganesh got 24,000 rupees. 40 minus 24, 16,000 got by Shankar. Okay, right. So here we will write 24,000 rupees belongings to Ganesh and 16,000 belongings to Shankar. Okay, one more journal entry will come in this question, that is why? Because goodwill is withdrawn by old partner said. So Ganesh old partners capital account debit to cash account we had to write. So who are the old partners here? Ganesh. So Ganesh capital account debit 24,000. Next, Shankar capital account debit 16,000 to cash account 40,000. So these are the three journal entries will come, Nana, for goodwill. So these three journal entries now we have to post into the 3-column cash book. Oh, sorry, in ledger accounts. How we will post? Let's see one by one. How we will post one by one? Let's see. So first, cash account given. See, write in cash account debit side 40,000. Here I will change the marker color. Right in cash account debit side 40,000 said. So where is cash account? This is a cash account. Here only we have cash account debit side 40,000 I written already. Close this cash. What is opposite? Goodwill. So write down here to goodwill account, to goodwill account. Okay, this is also adjustment number A. Okay, so cash is on debit side, that means goodwill is on which side? Credit side. So write in goodwill account credit side 40,000. Go to the goodwill account. See, this is the goodwill account credit side. Write down 40,000 rupees. Okay, close this goodwill beta. What is opposite? Cash. So in goodwill account, opposite that amount we have to write cash. By cash, adjustment number A. Okay, next journal entry. What is the next journal entry? Write in goodwill account debit side 40,000. So goodwill account debit side I written 40,000. Okay, next, close this goodwill beta. What is opposite? Ganesh capital and Shankar capital. Ganesh capital and Shankar capital. Write down here. So Ganesh 24,000 to Shankar capital 15,000. Okay, if you add these two, we'll get 40,000. Okay, next, goodwill is on debit side. Then Ganesh capital, Shankar capital is on which side, beta? Credit side. We have only two sides, debit side and credit side. If goodwill is on debit side, automatically remaining two is on credit side. So write in Ganesh capital, credit side 24,000. So come to the partners capital account. Ganesh capital, credit side, I written 24,000. Similarly, Shankar Capital credit side 16,000. So Shankar Capital credit side 16,000. Now close is Ganesh and Shankar beta. What is opposite? Goodwill. So write down here. So write down here against this amount. Write down here by goodwill account. Okay, this is also adjustment number A. Okay, now see the last one, last journal entry. Ganesh capital account is debited with 24,000. So write in Ganesh capital debit side 24,000. Write in Ganesh capital debit side 24,000. So this is the Ganesh capital debit side. I returned 24,000. Similarly, write in Shankar capital debit side 16,000. So Shankar capital, this is the Shankar capital, this is the debit side. I returned 16,000. Okay. Now close this Ganesh and Shankar beta. What we have opposite to cash. So write down here to cash. This is adjustment number B. Okay. Now Ganesh and Shankar is on debit side. That means cash is on which side beta? Cash is on credit side. So write in cash account credit side 40,000. Cash account credit side 40,000. Now cash account credit side 40,000 rupees. Okay. Close this cash beta. What is opposite? Ganesh capital and Shankar capital. So write down here by E capital 24,000 by S capital account 16,000. If you add these two, we will get 24,000. Okay, this is also adjustment number B. With this, all adjustments related to A and B completed. Now we have to see the remaining question. So two adjustments completed, A and B. For A and B, we written journal entries. Remaining, you know, very easy. If building value is increased, that is profit, we have to add to the particular asset. And when the building value increase, it is an asset. So in revaluation account, credit side we will write. If building value decrease, it is a loss to the business, we will write a valuation account debit side. So building B appreciated side. Appreciated means increased by 20%. So balance sheet asset side. So add appreciation. Appreciation means increased. For 1 lakh, 10% means 10,000, 20% means 20,000. So here 20,000 building value increased. Okay, so 1 lakh 20,000 outer column. How we got Nana 20,000? Let's see here. 1 lakh rupees into, in the question 20% said, 20% means 20 by 100. Now do cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. 1 2s are 2, 4 zeros are left, so 4 zeros. Okay, now these 20,000 building value is increased, so it is a profit to the business. So in revaluation account, a credit side we have to write. So if you got profit, in revaluation account credit side you write. If you got loss, revaluation account debit side you write. So here we got profit Nana, so write down here buy buildings 20,000 rupees. Okay, see the next one. Next adjustment. Buildings completed beta. Next one is furniture and stock to be depreciated by 5%. What are depreciated by Nana? Furniture as well as stock. Okay, see these two, stock and furniture are depreciated by 5%. Say depreciated means nothing but reduced the value of an asset. So less depreciation, 80,000 on 80,000. 5% means 5 by 100. Okay, two zeros cancel, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40. Okay, so two zeros are there, two zeros, so 4,000 rupees we have to deduct here. 80,000 minus 4,000, 76,000 rupees. Similarly, furniture value also decreased by 5%. Depreciation on 50,000, 5% means how much beta? 2,500. So 2500, outer column 47,500. Now how we got that amount? Let's see here. 50,000 into 5% means 5 by 100. Okay, two zeros cancel, 5 5s are 25, two zeros left, so two zeros. Like this we got. This depreciation and furniture value is decreased, it is a loss to the business. So we have one more time, we have to write in revaluation account debit side. This is point number C beta. C or D? Let's see, well, let's check one. I think point number D, that one. Point number D. So here you have to write point number D. Point number D, furniture. Point number C, just a minute. This is third adjustment. So buildings is a point number C and depreciation is a D. Okay. Now this stock and furniture value is decreased. It is a loss to the business. So one more time in revaluation account, debit side we have to write to stock to furniture. Okay, how much value decreased beta? Let's see one time how much minus we done here. Stock value to 4,000 and furniture value 2,500. So stock value 4,000 rupees we decreased and furniture value 2,500. Okay, let's see one more adjustment. I think last adjustment. There is an unrecorded liability in respect of workman compensation 3,000 rupees. That means we promised to one worker that we will pay 3,000 rupees, but we forgot that one, we not entered in the books. Today worker came and asked that, sir, you promised 3,000 rupees, you will pay the compensation. So now immediately we recognized, so we will write in the balance sheet liability side one time and revaluation account credit side beta, because it is a loss to the business. We until today we decide, we don't know, we forgot that 3,000 rupees we are payable, we are liable to pay to one person, we forgot. Now suddenly he came and he revised that one, he remembered that situation. So that is called workman compensation. Workman compensation అంటే ఏం లేదన్నా, ఒక వర్కర్కి మనం డబ్బులు ఇస్తామని చెప్పాము, అతనికి ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది, యాక్సిడెంట్ అయిందో ఏదో జరిగింది ఫ్యాక్టరీలో, సో అతనికి డబ్బులు ఇస్తాం మనము అని చెప్పాము. అది మనం మర్చిపోయినాము, ఇస్తామని చెప్పినాం కానీ మనం మర్చిపోయినాము. ఈరోజు ఆ వర్కర్స్ వచ్చి అడిగిండు, అరే నీకు ఇచ్చే ఉంది కదా అని చెప్పి గుర్తొచ్చింది మనకి. దాన్నే అన్రికార్డెడ్ లైబిలిటీ అంటారు. అంటే ఇన్ని రోజులు మనం ఇస్తామని మాట ఇచ్చినాం కదా, అది మర్చిపోయినాము ఎంటర్ చేయడం, ఈరోజు ఎంటర్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో దిస్ వన్ విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ balance sheet liability side one time, nana. Balance sheet liability side we have to write one time unrecorded liability 3,000 rupees. Adjustment number E, it is a loss to the business beta. So one more time we will write in the revaluation account credit side by unrecorded liability. Adjustment number E, amount 3,000 rupees. Okay, with this all adjustments are completed beta. Now we have to close the account one by one. We will close the account. First we will close the revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account, if you see the question, credit side total is 23,000 and see the debit side total 6,500. In these two, which is the big amount? Credit. So both sides write that big amount 23,000. Now do minus 23,000 minus 6,500, 0 0, 10 minus 5 5, so 12 minus 6 6, 1, 16,500 right on debit side. The 16,500 is what, nana? It is a profit we have to distribute to old partners in their old ratio, that is in 3:2 ratio. So first of all I will distribute to Ganesh 16,500 into 3 by 5. Okay, we have to calculate, nana. 5 ones are 5, 33 is a, okay, 5 3s are 5 3s are 5 33 is a, now 3 3s are 9, 3 3 is a 9. So 9,900 got by Ganesh to Ganesh capital account 9,900 to Shankar capital account. So 16,500 minus 9,900 beta 0 0 15 minus 9 how much beta 6 here 15 minus 9 6 so 6,600 got by who Shankar. Okay, so one time let's see valuation account 1,000 profit here. Stock furniture, maybe one more item we not recorded, Nana. Sorry. Here, I done one small mistake, beta. Unrecorded liability is a, look at the board, Nana. Here, I done one small mistake. Unrecorded liability is a, uh, unrecorded liability is a loss to the business, Nana, but I written in profit side. So I have to erase this one. A minute. Actually, unrecorded liability is a liability, Nana. ఎందుకంటే మనం పే చేసేది ఉంది డబ్బులు అతనికి. We are liable to pay, so it is a loss to the business. So we have to write in the revaluation account debit side to unrecorded liability 3,000 rupees. Okay, now do total. Credit side we have 20,000 and debit side we have 4 plus 3 7 8 9,500. Okay, in these two credit is big amount, so both sides write that credit amount 20,000 20,000. Now do minus 20,000 minus 9,500 10,500. This 10,500 write on debit side because debit side is a small amount. These 10,500 we have to distribute to partners in which ratio? 3:2 ratio. Now how much will get better? Now first of all I will distribute to G. Okay, 10,500 into 3 by 5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 5 21 are 21 threes are 3 twos are 6 3 ones are 3. So 6,300 is getting by 1% and same 10,500 to 2 by 5 5 ones are 5 21s are 2 twos are 4 2 ones are 2. So 4,200 is getting by another person 0 0 5 10. So 6,002 Ganesh is getting 6,300 beta this profit. Next Shankar is getting 4,200. So these 10,500 we have to distribute to old partners in which ratio? 3:2 ratio. So each partner get one part. Ganesh got 6,300 and Shankar got 4,200. This is a profit, Nana. This profit we have to transfer to partners capital account. Okay, so in partners capital account credit side we have to write, in partners capital account credit side we have to write by revaluation account, by revaluation account. Okay, by revaluation account. So Ganesh got 6,000. How much got Ganesh? 6,300 and 4,200, Nana. So here 6,300 and 4,200. So revaluation account. From revaluation account we got profit. So I written here. Okay. Now let's see the next one. So here revaluation account we closed. Now we have to close the goodwill account. Goodwill account automatically it will tally, Nana. No need to close. Debit side we have 40,000. Credit side also we have 40,000. So automatically goodwill account will close. Okay. Now let's see the next account. Now we have to close the partners capital account, Nana. Let's close partners capital account. Partners capital account debit side G credit side total you do 1,50,000 68 68 72 82 92 92 98 1,98,300 we got 1,98,300. 300. Same amount I will write here, 1,98,300. From this 1,98,300 we have to do minus 24,000. So I will do here 1,98,300 minus 24,000. Okay, 0, 0, 3, 8 minus 4, 4, 9 minus 2, 7. So 1,74,300 we got. Okay, this is closing balance. This is what beta? Closing balance. Okay, now see the next one. Now do the Shankar also to Shankar total also nana 75, 77, 87, 97, 97 plus 6, 97 plus 6, 97. One more time we'll do 75, 85, 87, 97, 97, 103, 1,07,200, 1,07,200. 1,07,200. Okay, so 1,07,200 minus 16,002 beta 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 7 minus 6, 1, 10 minus 1, 9. So 91,200 we got. This 91,200 is also called closing balance. Now Balu capital is 75,000. Same amount we'll write here as it is 75,000. 75. Okay, so partners capital account also closed 1,74,300 we got. Ganesh, right. Now what is the next account related here? Cash account. Cash account is left. So cash account do total 40, 40, 80, 80 plus 75, 1,55,000, 1,55,000. Okay, 1,55,000 write on both sides because both sides that is the big amount. From this 1,55,000 do minus 40,000, so we will get 1,15,000. This is called closing balance by balance carried down. This closing balance we have to write balance sheet. Asset side beta, balance sheet asset side we have to write cash balance 1,15,000. Okay, with this all items completed nana. Now do the total, but here one thing we not written. So partners capital account, in partners capital account whatever amount last we got, that one we have to write here as a to balance carried down. These balance carried down we have to bring to balance sheet. Assets liability side nana 1,74,300, 1,74,300. Okay, this is Ganesh capitals. First of all we have to write here as a heading capitals. So Ganesh 1,74,300. Next Shankar. What is the Shankar capital Nana? What is the Shankar capital? Shankar capital left is 91,200. So 91,200. Okay, next Balu capital. Balu capital is 75,000 rupees. Already we know. Okay, right. Now we have to do the total on asset side and liability side. We will get the same answer. Okay, now you do total asset side and liability side, we will get the same answer. If you get the same answer, that is correct. If not get the same answer, that is wrong. Let's do one time total. 0, 0, third one 5, 5 as it is. Next fourth 5 plus 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 8, 8, 9, 17, 17, 17, 24, 4, 28, 8, 34, 34, 39, 9 plus 3 carry, 3 plus 1 4. So 4,93,500 we got beta. 4,93,500. Okay, so see the same answer we got here, 4,93,500. So balance sheet liabilities are also will get the same answer, 4,93,500. If you have any doubt you can check one time. Okay, like this we have to do the problem. as I said in every I will said in every class, Nana, simply listening is not important. You have to do practice. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ విన్న తర్వాత, ఈ వీడియో చూసిన తర్వాత నువ్వు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంది? క్వశ్చన్ ముందు పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఒక రఫ్ నోట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి, లేదా ఒక క్లాస్ వర్క్ తీసుకో, పెన్ను ముందు పెట్టుకో, చూసుకుంటా క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకుంటూ నీ ఓన్గా చెయ్యి. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడే నీకు ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. నీకు ఎక్కడ డౌట్ వచ్చింది అప్పుడు వీడియో ప్లే చేసి చూసుకో. ఆ విధంగా మనం ప్రాబ్లం నేర్చుకోవాలి. అంతేగాని నేను విన్నా, నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది, నేను పోయి డైరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో రాస్తా అంటే 100% నువ్వు 100 ఎగ్జామ్లో చేయలేవు. ఓకే. So after watching this video, you have to do practice with your pen, with your hand, in your notebook. You have to do practice. Without practice, you are unable to do in the exam. How to do practice? Keep in front of your question. Take one pen. Okay. By seeing the question, do practice in your notebook. Wherever you get doubt, that time you watch the video. Like this, you have to do practice. Okay. So with this session, I am going to close this session beta. In next session we will meet with the new problem. Okay, until take care, bye.